Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neelam Gandhi, and if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. So today's video is going to be a kind of vlog video. You can say I had tried first time I tried this in my channel, that I had vlogged the whole process, what I do after I shoot done with a video, after I shoot a video, how I arrange my stuff, how I do my skincare. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. And the first thing I do is to change my outfit. After I shoot any video, I just can't wait to change outfit. I don't know, I have this habit of changing outfit as soon as I have done with my thing. So yeah, after that, now what I'm doing is I'm arranging all my makeup products in this box. Maybe you were wondering why I put all this makeup in this carton box of by Nykaa. Actually, the thing is, a few days before I bought a bunch of makeup by Nykaa, and now I don't have space to keep this makeup on my dressing table, you can say. So what I used to do, I just keep this for now. I'm just keeping this makeup in this box, and then I just keep this box in my somewhere at my closet. And yeah, after that I'm just arranging my brushes which I have used for in today's video while doing my makeup. And I can't reuse brush once I had used it before washing it, so I wash my brush immediately after I am done with my makeup at the same day. And now I'm just arranging my accessories, and you can see I have this yellow color drawer in which I put all my makeup, my all lipsticks, my eyeshadow palettes, my blush, highlighter, all the random stuff in this, all the makeup stuff in this drawer. And I have this basket organizer where I keep products which I used daily. As you can see, serum, BB cream, or gulab gel, micellar water, and all that stuff. And वो मेबलिन ख़त्म हो चुका था, वो फेंकना था मुझे. So I didn't, मैंने वो नहीं रखा उस वहाँ पे. And now I'm just folding my outfit. After this, I will keep this outfit at my space. And guys, you know what you most of the people think, it's a very easy job, you just have to sit in front of camera and do makeup. But no, it's not that much easy, guys. Nothing is easy. अब देख रहे हो, ये सारा सामान, ये सब संभालना भी पड़ता है, और ये मिस हर बार होता है. And now it's time to do a skincare. And for that, yeah, before that, what I'll do is I will clean my makeup brushes. What I'm doing is I'm putting some shampoo. You can use whatever shampoo you use or you have. And after that, I'm putting some Dettol. And after this, I will soak my makeup brushes or beauty blenders in this mixture, you can say. Yes, ये जो भी ये होता है शैम्पू और डेटॉल, इसके बीच what I used to do, put my brushes and beauty blender for 15 to 20 minutes so that all the dirt come out from that. And if you want me to do a full video on this, how I clean my brush, just comment down below. We'll definitely do that also. Now I'm cleaning my face with the help of this Garnier's micellar water. I'm cleaning my face. As you can see, guys, I just saw that many of you, what they do is they just wash their face with face wash and they are done with their जॉब. दे थॉट अब आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपका हो गया काम, ये आपका मेकअप निकल गया. बट नो गाइस, it's very compulsory, it's very important to wipe your makeup with a makeup remover and then wash your face. And here, as you can see, I'm using this Mama Earth tea tree face wash to clean my face. What I'm just applying this face wash all over my face and in at the corner points of my face. As you can see, we put makeup on eye area or over your eyelid. So I'm just, with the help of my finger, I'm just scrubbing that area, corner of my nose. Now wiping and washing it with normal tap running water. And don't, if you have too much open pores na, please avoid using hot or warm water to wash your face, क्योंकि उससे pores और खुल जाते हैं हमारे. Okay, so I'm done with washing my face. Now I'm wiping it off excess water with the help of clean towel. Make sure to use a clean towel on your face. And that after the cleaning my face, now I'm using this Plum's toner. I will apply toner. Guys, I was telling you ना कि बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हमारे फेस में रह जाता है even after washing a face with face wash. Now I will show you. मैंने I had cleaned my face with micellar water, then with a face wash. तभी भी उसके बावजूद भी can see makeup मेरे face में था. See, you can see ये फाउंडेशन इतना मेरे फेस में रह गया था. So it's very important, it's very very important to clean your face with micellar water. And after this I will I'm going to use this. हाँ, थोड़ी देर वेट करूँगी तो dry this toner. And after that I'm using this face oil. This is by Nykaa's skin portion face oil. इसमें बहुत सारी range है. You can go and check out in their website, in their app, whichever suits your skin. It's very lightweighted oil and it doesn't feel like that you had applied oil in your face. And after that I'm going to apply lip balm. Again, you can use any lip balm, and here I'm going to use this lip crush by Nykaa in the shade vanilla. And yeah, that's it for today's video. This is what look like after shooting a video. This ये जो mess होता है यही होता है, and यही इसे ये तो 8 minutes का वीडियो है, यही अरेंज करते हमें इतना टाइम लग जाता है. सो या वी आर डन विद टुडेज़ वीडियो. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल and hit the bell like